Hi, my name is Myra and this is my symptoms tracking app called Memento. As you can see on the screen, it asks you how are you today and where's the pain. So let's pretend for a moment that your limbs are feeling sore and your head has a migraine and that your hands are hurting. As you can see, hands are not a body part available, but the other body part is an option. So let's look today. Today we're going to pretend it is the 26th. And set that date, okay? Now, as you can see, your limbs were hurting, right? And they were sore. Well, soreness isn't an option, but let's pretend they were aching. And let's pretend for a moment that your head had a migraine. Click on the migraine. And then back at limbs, you saw they didn't offer soreness. So type in that symptom. Limbs are sore. Okay, and then type in the other symptom you're feeling, which was my hands were hurting. Then go into the other body part symptom, and as you can see, the limbs are sore and hands are hurting is now an available option for you. And from now on, it will be an option for you as long as you don't shut down your device or delete the app. But let's click on limbs are sore. And my hands are hurting. Okay, now that we've selected all our symptoms, let's click to save them. Okay, now we're going to click on this journal button to see our past symptoms. It'll take us to another screen to do so. This may take a moment. As you can see, the second screen has been loaded, and you can click on this button that says click to view past symptoms to see a list of your past symptoms. As you can see, the symptoms we added for the 26th, limbs are sore and hands are hurting, have been listed in one column. And the fact that your limbs were aching has also been listed, and your back was spasming is also listed. Well, that's my app. Thanks for watching. Quick little tidbit. If you were to click on this home button, it would take you back to screen 1. Well, that's the entirety of my app. Thanks for watching.